Most welcome to the Voice of Evolution, the voice of silence, and that new air that is coming through here from mid-August on. We're almost the 15th of August, and I feel the changes coming in. I'm in the middle of the woods of nowhere, and I feel the waters running. The waters are changing, the elements are changing. They talk to us in a different way, and I feel myself changing like every day. Um, so I hope you guys you're doing well and following up with what the divine essences bring through and opening up ears and eyes to the eye of the divine, to what you think is invisible, because nothing out there is truly hidden. It's all there for you to enjoy. Actually, it's a matter of opening and clearing the eyes and ears to where you would like to go. And so it is so, or such a pleasure actually these days to bring through codes, and codes again just run through the body, change your blood circulation, change your consciousness, change your thoughts, your beliefs, anything you would like to change at any time. So how easy can it get? And so in the beginning I was thinking, what the hell am I doing? But now it is becoming so much more crystal clear, because if we can work with a coat on a t-shirt, or you know just while drinking a cup of coffee, and that coat works within, then we already have the 50% support we can ask for at any time during life. And so here my next design is truly about making the bridge full-time into light consciousness, light embodiment, light brains, light business, light joy. There is no joy in density, there is no joy in ego consciousness, there is no joy when you bring your thoughts into a level that triggers your consciousness into the dumping of society. So this coach is truly the compass in making the bridge work for you. As always with all my designs, it's the female and the male equality. Can you hear that water? Yeah. That matters so much. So the compass in the middle spins very fast when breathing that through the spinal column and opening up the green waves that can become bigger and bigger. So the male and the female green wave always in balance, of course, and making that bridge onto the other side beyond anything artificial, beyond anything that was never meant to be on the earth, including the organism that or your individual organism that streams so much on the muddy waters. And so we can transition that, we can transition with the code and get a new direction with this compass. So I hope you love the green ray. It's very strong. I have them on t-shirts, hoodies, apparel, canvases, yoga mats, and so on. So there is a link in the description box should you be interested in wearing a coat that transforms the nervous system and thus the home, actually, where you live. It doesn't matter where. It matters if you want to be part of the change, and that's all there is to it. And so here for mid-August, I also have a very, very important other one, and that is spirit consciousness, the return into spirit, which brings through the higher dialogues with your natural essence, with all species in the cosmos. And so it's very important to open up beyond what we have known on the earth plane as a spiritual body, as a spirit within, because spirit self, let's say if you load that into a meditation, that brings tears all of the time and goes back to the Shekinah energies, into the sacredness, the divine, the holiness of a spiritual embodiment, and certainly not as has been dictated on the earth plane. And so we are moving into that next level, and so the pink way opens, you see it almost looks like an eye, actually opening up pillars of pink light, and then we have those small two pink wings that actually sort of bring you always to the next level, the next degree. And these wings, when spinning the design through the pineal, through the limbic system, through the spine, through your heart, is very important. There's a very strong alignment too that can assist you to open up to degrees of pearl essence, pink ray, and spirit within that moves beyond anything you have known until the present day, as intuition is far below a spirit that's and a spark self that speaks to you all of the time. And that is actually when your information is so to the point and it cannot be questioned, then you must be assured that it comes from your spirit self, your spark within, and your source self. So living and opening that, being in nature with yourself, no matter where you are or in the home, it is your spirit self that directs you, that designs with you a new life path of purity, divinity, equality, balance, integrity. All those essences many have forgotten, but they matter so much. So I encourage you to truly enjoy some summer if you have that in your country, and be out as much as you can at this particular time, because your energy this time around matters to repair nature. If I talk to nature and meditate here in the woods in my country in Belgium, and what I do is I repair them with crystalline grids, with crystalline consciousness. They work with me because they are the ones that bring through these codes and that assist you into a very fast transition. So that is what I have here from mid-month, August. These codes are actually timeless. You can apply them and work with them any way you wish, and you will see that spinning the codes through the brain waves or through the heart center, the nervous system, whatever you deem appropriate at a particular spot in your timeline, is what will work best for you, right? So enjoy them and feel free to comment and you know, just flow with your stream. I love reading comments. I love being here on YouTube. I don't love sponsoring, so I love people coming to me like in a natural way, and a natural way of doing in this new era on this airplane, actually, while everything is moving into light. So there is a lot to it, and that is what I will heal in individual sessions. I will get you out of your own attachments, densities, all beliefs, anything that is still maybe in fear, and see, let's say, that I move through anything that has already been stuck in your childhood, and growing up, and from there on looking at what are your attachments and your fears, your pains, your disease is so much connected to the artificial living ground. And so that is what I delete immediately in your consciousness, but also in your biology. Because if it's not deleted in consciousness, then diseases keep on repeating and repeating and repeating no matter what. So I go to the nucleus of whatever you may have suffered. Is that loss? Is that a disease? Is that mental, psychological, problematic, static? There is so much going on, and so the first plateau I would stream to is giving you the understanding, explaining how come you stream through it, because you need to know yourself, you need to understand why things happen, and then we release, delete it out of your system, and that is a very huge healing session I will bring through with that. You can email for that if interested at any time. Apart from that, enjoy your time, assist humanity as much as you can, and talk to each other. Communication is very, very important. Thank you for being with me. Thank you so much.